All right, guys, so let's jump into it. As y'all can see, US 30 literally did a correction today. I did not trade today, all right? But as y'all can see, it finally gave us a correction, came back down. We're going to be looking to see what tomorrow is looking like. I'm ready to wrap this Q4 up. In this particular video, I'm going to be going over the top 5 ones that I recommend in 2024 because a lot of stuff changed, In the last top 5 video, my Forex funds was in there. So of course, we can't use that in 2024. So I have to do, so I have to give you guys my updated version. All right, so number one, guys, on my list is Fun and Trading Plus. I know you guys seen my last video where I actually went over this company on how I turned $159 into like 5K. All right. It was with this company right here. The reason why they are number one. I can see they have multiple options. You can do 1 phase, 2 phase, or instant, which is straight live, no phases. All right. So they got 12,500 account, 25K account, 50K account, 100K account, and 200K account. Really wish they had a 300K account or better. Zero minimum trading days. So once you pass the phase, you can go ahead and go to the next. You can go ahead and get your live account, or if you're doing a 2-step, all right, 2 phase, 2-step, you can go ahead and get your next phase to the next challenge. And also your first payout is whenever you want, and then it becomes weekly. Okay, so I like that about this company. EAs are allowed. I don't use EAs, but for you guys who use EAs are allowed. Daily stop loss is 4%, overall is 6%. Other companies you may see the daily be at 5, but that's with like a 2-phase account. So this is not too bad for a 1 phase. Now the 6% could be 8, in my opinion. All right, you have to be on your P's and Q's. All right, as you see, the leverage, all right, is also low, but it's enough for you to make money. Like, it's enough for you to make money, not gonna lie. They use 8 cap, so the broker they use is 8 cap. You come on here, guys, and just check out the website. I'm not gonna just do a review on each one. I'm just gonna show you. I'm just gonna show you the prop firm, and I'm gonna explain to you why they came in at the number they came in. So this would be number one. It's basically off of how fast the payout is. Okay? And I've never had an issue. All right, never had an issue at all. I failed, of course, I failed challenges as well. They have reset discounts when you do fail a challenge, so that's cool. You don't even have to put a code in. It's already discounted. So yeah, just come on here and see what they have to offer. Coming in at number 2, guys, I would have to go with My Funded FX. All right. This company is also a great company to invest in and use your skill set with. I would say they come in at number 2. They have some nice prices, different challenges you can grab as well. They have the 1-step phase, the 2-step pro, and a 2-step normal. So the difference between the 2-step normal and the 2-step pro just get more drawdown. Overall, it'll be 10%, but the profit target is still the same. All right, so as you see, you have to go for 8% and then 5%. Versus with this company right here, guys, sorry, I had to go back, but 10%. So the profit target is 10% with Fun and Trading Plus. We come out here to My Funded FX. The profit target is actually 8%. The payout is 14 days, or at checkout, you can pay extra, okay, to actually get paid weekly. But you're not able to just withdraw right on the spot like you are with Fun and Trading Plus. So they come in at number 2. Leverage is 1 to 100. They do have some nice leverage, not gonna lie. Spreads also good. They use Think Markets. They also have a futures company that you could trade. So I trade Forex, but that's a good thing that they also have other products that you can go and check out. So if you trade futures, you can come to My Funded FX. Their payout is pretty fast as well. As soon as you request a payout and they get approved, 9 times out of 10, you're going to see your money in like an hour or two. They also always got nice discounts going on in their Discord. You can see the payout proofs in their Discord. Coming in at number 3, as y'all can see, since 2015, we have FTMO. All right. The reason why I put FTMO at number 3 is because I trade news and they have certain rules in place for news. All right. You're not able to trade before or after, something in between those lines. But they are a company that you can trust. They are a company that I feel like you could trust because, as you see, they've been here since 2015. So they are the OGs, okay, when it comes to funded accounts. Just a few things that I disagree with as far as the broker they use. So they use their own broker. I also experienced like freezing while trading, so just a lot of things. So another thing that bring them in number 3 is the minimum trading days. So you gotta wait 4 days before you can even go to the next phase or get your live account. All right. That's one of the things I did not like. Like I say, they come in number 3 just by how long they've been, doing this. And I know that they are, a company that you can actually trust. You can go in here and get you a free trial if you want to test them out right here. All right. And see, how everything works. One thing I do want to bring up that the other companies or prop firms that I've traded doesn't do that this company does is if you are on a live account, you're up a decent amount of profit. Let's say you hit the daily drawdown, they're still going to pay you out. All right. Not like these other prop firms. You hit that daily drawdown, you're not getting paid out. All right. You're not going to get paid out, but they still will pay you out. All right. I've actually experienced that. I was up like 10K on a 100K account and I hit the daily drawdown and I still got a 5K payout. So that was pretty cool. So you don't have to really worry about not getting paid if you hit that daily drawdown and you still in profit. So that's a cool feature. So coming in number 3, LTMO, guys. LTMO. Number 4. All right, coming in at number 4 is E8 trading. I will say their spreads are high at times, depending on the time of the day you trade. The spreads are gonna be crazy. All right, super crazy. Now, right here, you can get paid 8 days after trading on your live account. So basically, in a week, you can get paid. All right. In a week, you can get paid after trading 8 days, but 7 days in a week, but like a week plus 1. I like that feature as well. You also can come here and get a free trial if you want to test everything out. Also have 0 minimum trading days. All right. So once you pass for the next phase, think about the E8 account, or you have the E8 track account. So one is consistency and one is just like a regular phase. This one is like a 3-phase. So it may be cheaper, but you gotta hit 3 more. You got 3 phases instead of 2. Okay. So E8 came in at number 4. So coming in at number 5, guys, we have the Forex Funder. All right. The reason they made my list is because, one, they have the biggest discounts going on in the Forex industry or in the prop firm industry. 60%. All right, you can come get an account for 60% off. Number 2, they have 95%. Let's go down real quick. 95% profit split. All right, you also don't have to wait. Once you pass the challenge, they go ahead and send you the next phase. Raw spreads. Also, they offer $1 million in capital. So you can come here and get $1 million account for $1,300 with 60% off. So right now, this says 3,300. All right, that's the original price, which is still not bad for $1 million account. Or you can use a 6% off 100K account right now. You can get this 100K account for like $120 right now. So they made it to my list with the discounts, 95% profit split, raw spreads. These guys are very new. So that's why they are number 5. They are very new. I've seen a lot of people complaining, about not getting paid out, waiting until it's your actual payout date, and then coming up with some type of excuse that you breached the account or making stuff up and not paying people out. But I've also seen others get paid out. Now, me personally, I passed the challenge, but I breached the account because of a stop loss rule that I was not aware of. So I will say, read all of the rules before coming to get an account with the Forex Funder. Yes, the prices are super cheap, but cheap is not always the best route to go because you have to come and look at the rules. You could be signing up for something that you're not ready for. Like me, I was not ready for a stop loss to be placed on every single trade. All right. Even though I have no problem doing that, I like to put my stop loss at break even anyway. But you just have to make sure that you are actually placing a trade before you enter every trade on a live account. You didn't have to do that with the phases. Kind of threw me off. Like during the challenge, I didn't have to place a stop loss. And then as soon as you get a live account, this rule came out of nowhere. Recently, I just seen something where they changed that rule. So I will say just give this company time to develop, to get better at what they do. Forex Funder comes in at number 5. As you see, look at this, 60% off, 250% refund, 97.5% profit split. All right. If you use this code, also if you use my code, you'll get another additional % off. That's my top 5. If you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe. Also, click the notification bell. Other than that,